Ladies and gentlemen, colleagues, friends, in the modern world there are still two competing visions of the law. The first sees the state in the center of the law as a pyramid of the norms, at the top of which there are lawmakers regarded as either elected or usurped political representatives. All legal norms originate from lawmakers and are directly connected with the state. Consequently, dispute can only be resolved by professional judges who are the mouth of the law. But there is another way of looking at the law and the state. That view sees a human being in the center. The law is much more than just an order of a sovereign and cannot be reduced to the commands of the ruling politicians. The law and the state don't have any other legitimacy than that granted by individual people. Citizens can freely organize themselves in any field, including in relation to dispute resolution. They can choose whether they would like their dispute to be dealt with by a randomly selected professional judge or by people who they know and trust, by people who have competence to resolve particular legal or business issues and are committed to do it right. We are supporters of the latter concept. We believe in free arbitration for free citizens, professional services for professional people. The Warsaw Arbitration and Mediation Days is an event of the Polish arbitration community. It is designed for two types of audience: professional and business community from Poland and professionals and business people from Central and Eastern Europe. The event is addressed to people who do not necessarily have any practical experience with arbitration and want to convince them that it is the best option for their clients and businesses. It is also targeted at an audience from Central and Eastern Europe because we simply believe that the issues we are struggling with in Poland are very similar to those in other countries of our region. The Warsaw Arbitration and Mediation Days is a joint initiative of the leading Polish arbitration institutions, the Court of Arbitration at the Polish Chamber of Commerce in Warsaw, Leviathan Court of Arbitration, the Polish Consulting Engineers and Experts Association, Warsaw University and SWPS University, and ICC Poland. Our partners include Asia and ICC. During the Warsaw Arbitration and Mediation Days, you may listen to a judge of the European Court of Justice, Professor Marek Safian, on the intersection between the judiciary and democracy. You will have a chance to hear the opinions of Alexis Moore, the president of ICC International Court of Arbitration, and ask questions to representatives of the Secretariat of ICC on practical issues connected with arbitration at ICC. You may participate in an Oxford debate on the termination by Poland of all investment protection treaties. We will celebrate the 60th anniversary of the New York Convention and also touch upon the psychology at arbitration. I'm sure everyone will find an interesting topic for themselves. More details are available at www.warsawarbitration.pl. I look forward to seeing you in May in Warsaw.